Well, welcome to episode 2 of Map Month. And the map we're going to look at today is an 1861 map that shows Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska, and what is called Idaho on this map, which interestingly enough shows Idaho bordering on Colorado. But the other interesting thing about this particular map is it's pre-Civil War. Now, we've heard the story of how Breckenridge changed its name, that it was originally spelled with an I-N and then changed to an E-N. And that's because the vice president under President Buchanan was John C. Breckinridge with an I. And the town of Breckenridge was looking for a post office. So they, in effort to flatter the Postal Service into giving them a post office, named their town after the current vice president. Later on, we see, after the beginning of the Civil War, when then Senator Breckinridge urges Kentucky to leave the Union and join the Confederacy, and then flees Washington and becomes a Confederate general, the town of Breckenridge changed its name from B-R-E-C-K-I-N to B-R-E-C-K-E-N-R-I-D-G-E. But that's not the only interesting thing about this map. As I said, it's the earliest map showing the state of Idaho, except where they have Idaho, we now have Wyoming. I've asked my Idaho friends, when did Wyoming steal half their state? They don't have a good answer for that. One other thing about this map that's so interesting is it shows an Indian reservation in the eastern part of Colorado, specifically for the Cheyenne and what would be known as the Arapahoes, but they spell it the Arapachees, thinking maybe they're the Apaches or maybe they're the Arapahoes. Hard to tell. One last thing about this map that I find particularly interesting is that Summit County runs from Utah to what is Wyoming and back to where it currently is today at Summit County, bordering on the mountains. Essentially, Summit County is the entire northwest section of the state of Colorado. Later, it reduces down to what we currently know as Summit County. But it just goes to show you that maps tell us the story of how we change from what was to what is. Well, I hope you'll come by and see us at the Summit County Historical Society. I'd also like to show you one of our books, The Golden Gulches. Colorado was quickly drawn on the map and set up as a territory, as we said at the beginning of the Civil War. The idea was to capture the mineral resources of the state so that the Union could exploit those and they wouldn't fall in the hands of the Confederacy. Golden Gulches tells you the story of that early mining. Like I said, please come and see us at the Summit Historical Society. We'd love to show you firsthand this beautiful 1861 map.